How do adversary proceedings work for bankruptcy creditor objections? Imagine you're in a courtroom, not just any courtroom but one set up specifically for resolving disputes within a bankruptcy case. That's where adversary proceedings come into play. These are formal lawsuits filed inside a bankruptcy case when a creditor has a serious issue that can't be sorted out through simple motions. For example, if a creditor believes a debt should not be discharged because of fraud or improper transfers, they can start an adversary proceeding to get the court involved. The process kicks off when the creditor, acting as the plaintiff, files a complaint with the bankruptcy court. This complaint explains exactly what they are objecting to and what they want the court to do. Along with the complaint, the court issues a summons, which is a formal notice telling the debtor they need to respond. The debtor then has a limited time, usually around 30 days, to file an answer or a motion to dismiss the complaint. If the debtor ignores this, the court might automatically rule in favor of the creditor, called a default judgment. Once the debtor responds, the case enters the discovery phase. This is where both sides exchange information, such as documents, depositions, and written questions. Think of it as gathering evidence to support their side. During this phase, both parties can also try to settle the dispute through negotiations or mediation. If they can't agree, the case moves to trial. At trial, both sides present evidence and make arguments before the bankruptcy judge. The judge then reviews everything and makes a decision. The judge's ruling could be to uphold the creditor's objection, deny it, or modify it. If either side disagrees with the decision, they can appeal to a higher court. Adversary proceedings follow specific rules similar to regular civil lawsuits. These rules include strict deadlines and standards for evidence. The burden of proof is on the creditor who filed the objection. They need to show why the debt should not be discharged or why other remedies are appropriate. Common reasons for creditor objections include allegations of fraud, willful misconduct, or improper transfer of assets. In the end, adversary proceedings give creditors a formal way to challenge the bankruptcy court's decisions. They ensure that disputes are handled fairly and with clear evidence, rather than through informal motions. This process helps protect the rights of both the debtor and the creditor by making sure contested issues are resolved properly in court.